It's freezing. We're expecting a blizzard or something, so I gotta take this tailgate thing off. That way my cap closes so it doesn't get snowed in. Should be fun. Into here. How do I get that out? Fun. I don't plan on using it. Maybe I can just cut it. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I don't need the backup camera. I'm gonna cut it, put some tape on it, stick it onto the tailgate, and then when I get the next piece coming in tomorrow, hopefully it covers all these holes. I'll just put it on there with the pressure and hopefully it sticks and doesn't rattle in the tailgate, but let's go. All right, got the cap closed. The piece for the tailgate, that little rail guard, that comes tomorrow. And I have, oh, the rails actually came in today for the bed, so the side rails. So I gotta take the cap off, gotta clean the underneath. Here, I'll show you guys what the underneath looks like. So the inside is a little dirty. So we gotta clean the inside, and we're also gonna carpet the inside too, just so it's a little bit neater and not just fiberglass. Put the rails underneath. I have the foam that goes underneath the cap that's gonna go on top of the rails. That way it's waterproof and it basically doesn't slide on the rails too. And we should be good with that. And then we gotta build the draws. The draws are gonna be next, and we're looking into tents to put on top of here so we can camp out on the tent. On the top of the truck and the tent. So, but yeah, it's gonna be cool. So, I was supposed to launch my Spikes Bucktails on YouTube today, but I did a little sneak peek type thing on Instagram and Facebook, and you guys bought a lot of it. So here's a few shipments that we're going to be putting out tomorrow because of the blizzard today, and we got a bunch of Bucktails going out. So if you guys want to buy some Bucktails, I'll show you them. And you can go to smoochandrelease.com/shop and buy them 3 packs individually, whatever you might want. But here are the Bucktails. All right, so we have a few orders going out, and so this is the white one. You got the sparkles on the side, the flashing. All right, we got that. We got the red with the flashing, with the sparkles on the head too. So that's really cool. I've always wanted to do that and find them that way, so I made them. And then we have the all chartreuse bucktail, the flashing thread, and the head. So we got that cool. This is the giveaway one, and the winner of this will be in the description below.
Somebody has to be the villain and play the dark side. And then the hero plays against him. When the curtain goes down at the end of the drama, the hero and the villain step out hand in hand, and the audience applaud both.
It's insanely snowing. Well, it's getting warmer. Look at you. Say hello to the fans.
Hello, fans. How are you?
This is the first blizzard in what, 10 years?
It's been a while.
Very nice. Very nice. A lot. Look at all this snow. You can't even tell on the camera, but it's beautiful out here. Alright, so we're in the shop. I have some bucktails to tie, so I'm going to tie them up. You guys are going to love these things. They're going to catch a lot of fish. And I want to put these bucktails and make things that I don't see in stores. You know, with the thread on the same color, sparkles and whatnot. And those little flashers, you know, the flashing on it, I don't see too often in stores. So I'm making something that I want because I know what works and I want it to work the way that I want it to. So if you guys are interested in bucktails, today is the official launch of the Spikes Bucktails on smoochandrelease.com/shop. So go ahead and get yourself some. I got them in 3-packs. You save a little bit of money on that if you get the 3-packs as opposed to just singles, but I appreciate all the support. Thank you to everyone who actually went out last night and purchased them on my sneak peek launch. But yeah, cool. We have a lot of snow and a lot of really cool things planned. Now that we have the truck getting set up, we have some things with that, and we got some fishing to do. So let's get to tying these bucktails. You guys are watching this video, and we're all gonna have a good 2021 season. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Stay real, smooch and release, and have some fun on the water. I'll see you next time.